Alright guys, I'm out here with the SYMA W1 Pro, and I want to try this bottom camera deal that it has on there. Okay, you got to do that first. Always remember that you have to take that easy mode, beginner mode off. So I want to start some video now, which we did. Home point is set. Let me check the map. Okay, so it knows I'm here. So at least it knows the return to home spot. 13 satellites. Now what I want to do is see if the bottom camera will switch cameras while it's recording. That's what I want to see. Okay, so it won't. So you see that the thing is turned off, the beginner mode. I still only have it at the low rate of speed. I just want to take it out here a little bit. Grab some of this video. You know, just like with these quads, you know, these toy type quads here, you have to try to keep them still, you know, but they don't have no stabilized video. So if you keep them still, the video will be kind of clear. But once you don't do that, once you jerk them around a lot, then the video's jumping all over the place and stuff. So I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video here. I'm going to bring it back a little bit toward me. Okay, I'm going to stop the video here. Then I'm going to switch the camera to the bottom camera. Okay, so there's the bottom camera view. You know, I really don't know what that does. It's got some cheeseball camera on the bottom of it. And it just shows you the bottom, okay? So really not. Or I'll fly it over top of me and so you can see. See, there you go. So it's really a low-res type camera. I'm going to record some. It's a low-res type camera there. Even though I had the screen recorder going on. So, yeah, that's kind of cheesy. So I'm going to put the other camera back on. which I think's a heck of a lot better of a camera, to be honest with you. It's drifting around quite a bit. I'm going to try this little circle thing here to see what that does. Let me record some video while it's doing the circle jerk. You know, it seems to work, at least. Now, while it's in this circle mode, I'm going to try to change the position and see if it will stop. It will make it stop. I mean, it seems to circle pretty nice, you know. So let's try to go up a little higher. It's pretty windy, guys, and that's why it's blowing this quad around a little bit. This thing's really light, actually. It's about the same weight as the Mavic Mini. So that's working great, man. The circle mode on this thing works great. Let me go up a little higher. So it stays in its it stays in there in its mode. So that does not raising it up and down does not quit the mode. Now let's see if I can go down lower. Yeah, that thing's pretty cool. That works good, man. See how low I can get with it. It's pretty damn close to the ground right now. As a matter of fact, it might crash. No! That's about as low as you want to take it. I think it's what? The height is like, it says 1 to 2 meters, but it's about 2 feet, looks like to me, off the ground. Whoa, it's almost getting ready to hit the ground. I better get out of this mode here, or raise it up some. All right. So the height is the only thing you can move around while it's in this circle mode. The yaw is unresponsive. It won't let you yaw it at all. It's just the height that's going to work. Okay, so we know the circle mode works. Good. So I'm going to quit that. Yep, that thing works great, man. So I'm happy with that. See what one of these other buttons does here. Not sure. I wonder how you. I'm not sure how you turn off the GPS mode. There's the high rate mode there. You click on the left stick. I don't know what that does. I'm not sure. Now the high rate doesn't seem to affect the, hold on, let me, okay, I'm jostling it around. Okay, yeah, the high rate's a little squirrely. All right, so guess next time I come out, I'll try the waypoints and stuff like that. But yeah, it flew pretty good, man. This thing isn't bad for the money. I mean, it was 130 bucks or something. But it's a decent flyer, you know what I mean? So just remember, when you turn this thing on all the time, guys, you got to take that, go and turn off the beginner mode. I'll always do that right away. So just so you know. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video. All right. I don't really see a land button on this thing. Oh, here it is. It's that one down here on the bottom left. I'm just going to try to hand catch it. Which I did. All right, guys. There you go. SYMA W1 Pro. It's a classic. It's a beauty. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.